Welcome to this one-bedroom first floor apartment at Wellington House in Wellington Street, situated just opposite the railway station. Entrance hall, door through to the living dining room, Juliet balcony to the rear, and round to the kitchen, where we have a built-under oven, ceramic hob, washer dryer, microwave and fridge. Hallway has ample storage cupboards through to the bathroom, thermostatic shower over the bath, meaning good pressure from the shower, and into the good sized double bedroom, which also has a built-in wardrobe. Outside is allocated parking. Thank you for watching.